Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account on a secure device and navigating to Security, then two-step verification. Once signed in, Google will ask you to confirm your password to proceed. Make sure your primary phone is nearby and charged. You can add a backup phone and a recovery email now. Start the setup by clicking Get Started, then follow the prompts to verify your primary phone with a text or call so Google can confirm it's really you. Next, you'll select which verification methods to enable and why each matters. Use the Authenticator app for time-based codes if you want offline access. Set up Google Prompt for fast one-tap approvals. Add backup codes and a backup phone so you can still sign in if your main device is lost. If you need strongest protection, register a physical security key, plug it in, or tap it during prompts. Confirm each method by completing the in-app or SMS verification steps. Finally, review trusted devices and app passwords and remove anything you no longer use. Make sure to print or securely store your backup codes and update recovery email and phone entries. Once done, try signing out and back in to confirm the two-step flow works with your chosen methods. If you get locked out, don't panic. Use a printed backup code, your backup phone, or follow Google's account recovery prompts to regain access. If that fails, check device time settings and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.